Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Smart Home Hub. If your cleaning routine involves constantly fighting dust bunnies or manually emptying a tiny robot bin, it's time to meet the future of floor care. This is the Redkey R10 robot vacuum cleaner, and it's not just a vacuum. It's a powerful 2-in-1 system designed to make floor maintenance truly effortless. Power and precision, the 2-in-1 attack. The R10 comes out swinging with a massive 4,000 PA of suction power. That's serious muscle ensuring dirt, pet hair, and debris are efficiently pulled from every corner. It's also armed with a versatile omnidirectional floating roller brush, which can adjust up, down, left, and right to perfectly conform to your ground conditions, ensuring maximum static air pressure and dust collection. But the R10 isn't just about sweeping. It's a full 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. It uses an intelligent electronically controlled water tank with 3 levels of water volume adjustment to precisely mop different floor materials without soaking them. Need to focus on a high traffic area? You can choose from 4 levels of suction adjustment and customize the water volume right from the app. The genius of navigation and safety. A strong vacuum is useless if it bangs into your furniture. The Redkey R10 uses advanced LDS laser navigation to accurately identify, quickly map your environment, and intelligently plan its route. It utilizes a smart S-shaped coverage pattern to ensure a higher coverage rate, meaning no spot is missed and the job is done faster. For homes with mixed flooring, the R10 is brilliant. It can climb over obstacles up to 18 millimeters, perfect for navigating thresholds and low-pile carpets. Even better, thanks to the Turbo Carpet Auto feature, it automatically detects when it moves onto a rug and boosts the suction power instantly for a deep clean, then returns to normal power on hard floors. You can also use the app to set restricted areas and virtual walls to keep it out of places you don't want it, like a toddler's play area or a delicate rug. 90 days of freedom with auto empty dust. This is the feature that truly transforms your cleaning schedule, the automatic dust collection base station. Once the Redkey R10 finishes cleaning or its small internal bin is full, it automatically returns to its dust seat. The powerful 1000W dust collection fan vacuums the debris from the robot straight into a huge 4-liter disposable dust bag inside the base station. What does that 4-liter capacity mean for you? It means you can store up to 90 days of garbage in one bag. That's a quarter of a year without having to think about emptying the robot. Combined with the scheduled cleaning feature, where you can set daily or weekly appointments, the R10 basically turns floor cleaning into a completely hands-off chore. Final verdict: the Redkey R10 robot vacuum cleaner is an incredibly comprehensive package. From the powerful 4,000 PA suction and customizable 2-in-1 mapping to the life-changing 90-day auto empty feature, it delivers premium performance without the constant need for attention. If you're ready to upgrade your life and your floors, the R10 is a fantastic choice. What feature are you most excited to use? The Turbo Carpet Auto Boost or the 90 days of hands-off cleaning? Let me know in the comments below.